test this question of how traits can influence species success in space and in time. Our first result is surprising in that there is a shift in species durations between species originating before 18.8 and after 18.8 million years ago. Before 18.8 million years ago, species tended to last longer in the record than after 18.8 million years ago. This could result from, this could be a taxonomic artifact, this could be phylogenetic constraints at work, or this could be a real effect of trophic restructuring. However, that's outside the scope of this current talk, but I show this here in preparation for this slide, where we analyze body mass and carnivory separately, before and after 18.8 million years ago. For success in time, species duration is negatively correlated with body mass and carnivory. So the overall, in general, the larger the dog, the more hypercarnivorous the dog, the shorter its duration in the fossil record. However, this relationship falls apart after 18.8 million years ago, so that's the red line in both of these plots. For success in space, which we quantify using locality coverage, or the proportion of dog localities that occupied by a particular dog species, the results are less conclusive. So for body mass, the larger the dog, the more widespread it is. However, that's only a weak relationship, and that is only for after and that's only for after 18.8 million years ago. And for carnivory, we get the opposite relationship. So for carnivory, the more carnivorous the dog, the less widespread it is. And this is a moderate relationship, but it happens only for species before 18.8 million years ago. And our measure of carnivory is, body mass and carnivory do tend to be correlated, but the measure of carnivory that we chose is largely independent of body mass. So it is possible to have opposite trends between body mass and carnivory in this case. However, there are also opposite trends within body mass before and after 18.8 million years ago, and within carnivory before and after 18.8 million years ago. In summary, there is a difference in species durations before and after. So before, species were longer in the record than after 18.8 million years ago. And this could be due to a variety of reasons that are outside the scope of this current talk, but please let me know if you have any ideas about this, as it is quite a baffling difference. We found modest correlations at best, likely owed to uncertainty in estimating species durations and also locality coverage in the fossil record. For success in time, species duration had a negative relationship with both body size and carnivory, but the strength of the relationship differs before and after 18.8 million years ago. And for success in space, locality coverage showed weaker relationships with these two factors than did species duration, and also conflicting results before and after 18 million